Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro, the channel that turns everyday software into powerful tools. Today we're unlocking 7 hidden Excel features for Windows, Spreadsheet Genius, that'll help you work smarter and cleaner. These tricks are easy to miss, but incredibly useful. Now let's get started. Number 1. Turn on sheet protection settings. Protecting your Excel sheet keeps your formulas and layouts safe from accidental edits. It's a simple way to control what others can change while keeping your data intact. This feature is essential for shared or sensitive spreadsheets. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Navigate to the Review tab at the top of your Excel window. Step 2. In the Changes group, click on Protect Sheet. Step 3. Optional. Enter a password in the Password to Unprotect Sheet field. Make sure to remember it. You'll need it to make changes later. Step 4. Choose the protection options you want, like allowing users to select cells but not edit them. Step 5. Click OK to apply the protection. If you set a password, Excel will ask you to confirm it. That's one smart layer of control added. And we're just getting warmed up. Let's move on to the next hidden gem. Number 2. Disable grid lines for clean layouts. Removing grid lines gives your Excel sheet a cleaner, more professional look, especially for presentations or printed reports. It helps focus attention on the actual data, not the cell borders. This tweak is quick but makes a big visual impact. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Excel worksheet and click on the View tab in the ribbon. Step 2. In the Show group, uncheck the box next to grid lines to instantly hide them from view. Step 3. For print-ready formatting, go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Step 4. In the Grid Lines section, uncheck the View box to hide them from the sheet. Step 5. To prevent grid lines from appearing in printouts, uncheck the Print box in the same section. Now your sheet looks sleek and distraction-free, perfect for sharing or printing. Let's keep the momentum going with the next hidden Excel feature. Number 3. Customize Autocorrect for fast entry. Speed up your workflow by turning abbreviations into full formulas or phrases automatically. This hidden Excel feature saves time and reduces repetitive typing, especially for frequently used functions or names. It's a smart way to boost productivity without touching a single macro. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Excel and click the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view where you can access Excel's deeper settings. Step 2. Scroll down and select Options from the left-hand menu. This brings up the Excel Options dialog box where customization begins. Step 3. In the dialog box, click on Proofing in the left-hand pane. Proofing controls spelling, grammar, and autocorrect settings. Step 4. Click the Autocorrect Options button. This opens the Autocorrect dialog where you can define your shortcuts. Step 5. Make sure the Replace Text as you type checkbox is checked. This ensures Excel will actively swap your abbreviations with full text as you type. Step 6. In the Replace box, type a short abbreviation like VLOOKUP or JS. Choose something unique to avoid accidental replacements in normal typing. Step 7. In the With box, type the full formula or phrase you want, like equal VLOOKUP or John Smith. This is what Excel will insert automatically when you type your shortcut. Step 8. Click Add to save your new autocorrect entry. Your shortcut is now active and ready to use. Step 9. Click OK to close the autocorrect dialog, then OK again to exit Excel options. Your changes are now locked in and ready to speed up your spreadsheet game. And just like that, you've unlocked a time-saving shortcut that feels like magic. Stick around, there's even more Excel genius coming your way. Number 4. Enable Formula. Autocomplete suggestions. Formula Autocomplete helps you write functions faster and with fewer errors by showing suggestions as you type. It's a simple toggle that makes working with formulas smoother and more intuitive, perfect for anyone who wants to speed up their spreadsheet flow. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open Excel and click the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage menu where you can access Excel's deeper settings. Step 2. Select options from the left-hand menu. This brings up the Excel Options dialog box. Step 3. In the Excel Options window, click on Formulas in the left-hand pane. This section controls how Excel handles formula behavior and input. Step 4. Under Working with Formulas, check the box for Formula Autocomplete. This enables Excel to suggest functions and names as you type, making formula entry much faster. Step 5. Click OK to save your changes and close the dialog. Your formula suggestions are now active and ready to assist. Now that formulas practically write themselves, let's move on to the next hidden gem that'll make you look like a spreadsheet genius. Number 5. Adjust calculation mode to manual. Switching to manual calculation gives you full control over when Excel updates your formulas. It's especially useful for large workbooks where automatic recalculation slows things down. This tweak keeps your workflow smooth and focused. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click the Formulas tab on the Excel ribbon. This is where Excel's calculation settings are managed. Step 2. In the Calculation group, click Calculation Options. You'll see a drop-down with different modes. Step 3. Select Manual from the list. This stops Excel from recalculating formulas automatically every time you make a change. Step 4. To manually recalculate, press the F9 key or click Calculate Workbook from the same menu. This lets you update all formulas only when you're ready. Step 5. Alternatively, click the File tab and choose Options from the left-hand menu. This opens the Excel Options dialog for deeper settings. Step 6. In the dialog box, select Formulas from the left sidebar. You'll find another way to adjust calculation behavior. Step 7. Under Calculation Options, choose Manual from the Workbook Calculation dropdown. This sets manual mode across your workbook. Step 8. Click OK to save and exit. Your workbook now waits for your command before recalculating. With manual mode on, you're in charge of when Excel crunches the numbers. Let's keep the momentum going. There's another hidden feature coming up that'll take your spreadsheet skills even further. Number 6. Change default file. Save format. Setting your default save format ensures every new workbook is stored exactly how you need it, whether for compatibility, macros, or legacy systems. It's a small tweak that saves time and prevents format issues. Ideal for streamlining your file management. Let's do it. Step 1. Click the File tab in the top left corner of Excel. This opens the Backstage view where you can access Excel's core settings. Step 2. Select Options from the menu on the left. This brings up the Excel Options dialog box. Step 3. In the Excel Options window, click on the Save category. This section controls how and where your files are saved. Step 4. Find the Save Files in this format drop-down menu. This lets you choose the default format for all new workbooks. Step 5. Pick a format from the list like Excel Macro Enabled Workbook or Excel 97-2003 Workbook. Choose the one that best fits your workflow or compatibility needs. Step 6. Click OK to save your changes. From now on, every new file will default to your selected format. And just like that, your save game is optimized. Let's keep going. And finally, we've reached the last hidden gem in our Excel toolkit. This one's all about making your spreadsheets look exactly how you want right from the start. Number 7, set default font and size. Customizing your default font and size gives every new workbook a consistent, personalized look. It's a subtle but powerful way to make your spreadsheets feel more professional and easier to read. Great for branding or just personal preference. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the File tab in the top left corner of the Excel window. This opens the Backstage view where you can access Excel's core settings. Step 2. Select Options at the bottom of the menu. This brings up the Excel Options dialog box. Step 3. In the dialog box, click General on the left-hand side. The General section includes settings for new workbook defaults. Step 4. Under the When Creating New Workbooks section, find the Font Settings. This is where you can customize how new spreadsheets will look. Step 5. Choose a new font from the Use this as the default font drop-down menu. Pick a style that suits your workflow or brand. Step 6. Enter a new font size in the Font Size box. You can type any value between 1 and 409 depending on your preference. Step 7. Click OK to save your changes. This locks in your new default settings. Step 8. Close and restart Excel to apply the changes. Your new font and size will now appear in every fresh workbook. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed discovering these gems, be sure to subscribe for more smart tips and tutorials. Spreadsheet Genius doesn't stop here.